First, take some basmati rice and wash it well. Then, soak the rice in water for about 20 minutes. Take some clean chicken pieces. Add curd, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric, garam masala and salt. Mix it well and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Step 3. How fry the onions. Heat some oil in a pan and fry sliced. Keep the fried onions aside. In the sale pan, add the marinated chicken and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. The chickens. First, boil water, add salt, a little oil and the soaked rice until it's 80% done. Then in a big pot, Now take a big pot. First spread a layer of rice, then a layer of chicken. Repeat this process and sprinkle fried onions and coriander leaves on top. Cover the pot tightly and cook on a low flame for 15 minutes. Now your delicious biryani is ready to serve.